time they come in nearby with.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's a man to spray in anti-caution.
Yeah.
So no seed can't really. So I do what I feel.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we do it, man. On Monday morning, you know. And I say, time I come, the breadfruit them and the banana them I go drop down. So you think this time I come bad on you, sir?
We don't know what can happen, no brother. We just have to watch what we want. We now go get it far as we understand, but we'll get rain and breeze off like. But you know it can't change.
You know it go already.
Yeah, anything can happen, so it's not impossible.
So, what the update on the fence?
I can work on, but we can't do it now.
Well, you fence it up already?
Yes, man.
I've got to show me. Well, okay, so we say one-stop driver. Mm-hmm. So here what? The decision is this, you know. I'm going to work the funds and help you. Because, you know, people are people, they have their own problem.
Yes, I say go.
But we don't here, so, together. I wait at the storm, so I have to put in my strength tonight.
I already had that side, I don't have the other side of the corner of the building.
You don't so?
Yeah man, we are down a corner over one part, so it's a people. So if you go over there, you can't see where I go.
Because we say one-stop driver. Me say, once you put your mind to it, you know, you'll get the kerchief them too. See the people, all without any help or money, we still push on. And when we make some sales, I go buy a bunga of wire to keep the cow them out. You can see the man in action. The man don't want nobody but him and God. See him there? So the fact say, me there film him, it's a pleasure. So who no can see him, because normally, if me never come film him, how no see him? The greatest man in Jamaica, how no witness it? Thank you, Randy, for filming. They say, welcome back, Captain Jack. But then they say, thank you, Randy, for riding the bicycle and show us the great man. You see what I say?
Okay.
The man will hold the camera upon the great man and take my time. But you know, see I eat the man food. What about the...
Yeah.
So Captain, tell them say me also contribute. Them in them bedroom, they love talk bad about me, say come here full joy the heaven where you make.
Sure.
Are you make you see the little laugh of me have because we know say we are living it, you know, Captain, and I know you. For know good people is a joy, you know, brother. The greatest thing in life is to know good people. The amount of, you know, this song when we make this morning, you know, so every morning I come with that song. So this morning I ride the bicycle up and I say to myself, this song will come to me is something about black vampire. Enough of them in a Jamaica.
Yeah, because it suck out your blood, man. They don't want to see you survive.
Them we suck out your blood now. And them no love the creation. Creator. Yo, black vampire down here.
Well, me no know, I can't tell you.
Hey.
Go on and see a black mosquito there.
Let me tell you something. Sometimes people say white people this and white people that. You say the black vampire them?
Terrible.
Oh Lord.
Terrible.
Let me say terrible.
Alright, now you see what me I do now?
Yeah.
I see since me left, you see what going on already on me album?
You and God, don't say that.
Alright.
Don't say that.
Me just put that in that.
Oh, okay.
No, we see whole line or something.
So which part God do and which part you do?
No man, I might give me strength to go and push on
Okay,
the work,
okay,
man.
okay.
Cause me ask him for help me if he can push work, me can help myself and help others.
Okay.
Yes.
So when me ask for help for you, how come?
You understand? Then as me get help, me help others stay away. Help come from others to others to others. I say push on.
So
I say go
I mean must say the bad one
I
then.
say push.
Eh?
Energy to energy to energy.
So
Then
me,
it just explode.
boom. But them I must say me are the bad representative. I must just be coming out and say hallelujah.
Me not say hallelujah, but me know him saying today.
Ah, way.
And
I'm a-
everybody can be the same.
Oi.
You be a churchman, me can't be a churchman.
Hey.
Me be a bushman, come me have to help you the churchman to eat food, to stand up in a
Boy, how you gonna stand up enough faint in that church?
Alright.
How you think you go down a pastor basement go eat out the food?
Okay.
At the farmer.
Alright, sir.
Okay.
So what I have to do, what I have to do?
So one
So
must help one.
Everybody have their work to do.
To do.
Yes. But me now see they come back what me they do to others. But the blessing now work through me with the Almighty.
Well, let me tell you a secret. You know, so when the sun shine the ray, you know, look for a reflection, you know. Imagine that. You know, so the sun up a sky never get nothing from the earth. Imagine that.
Well.
So you see, when you're God chosen people like the sun, you know, but I expect nothing to come back. Hey.
That is so good.
I saw you go, right? So you have to know what you is, Captain.
Yeah.
If you like the sun, now the moon get reflection.
You have to be yourself, brother.
You see, the earth always see it reflection because the leaf fall back to the ground.
Yeah.
The earth always see reflection, you know, and shadow. But you see, well, you see a shadow upon the sun yet?
Man.
So, Mr. Captain, if you like the sun, keep putting out your sun rays. Mother, grow you.
No, me go come see my help people, so
Okay.
me get the footsteps.
Okay.
Yeah.
So some family in a saint too, you know. God makes some family, then can't do nothing but help people.
Yeah.
Even when them don't have nothing, you always say, God, take some of them can here and go bring Miss Mavis.
I to John, bro.
Yeah. So the people them we love the people them when in Jamaica. Sometimes the grandmother them not have it. Me don't know how, like you say, I got then get it from.
Then, so the blessing come, brother. How the blessing come in? So you get your blessing.
I got then get it from.
You know enough time me there broke and me can't find the next meal and it just come right to me.
Bing.
That's who it come from. You know the blessing of God.
Hey.
Alright. Understand?
Hey.
Alright. Look for when me no go see. From when about a month now me not to see side him.
A month.
I got some me there.
What you said to me?
And how me think me feed myself now.
Judge.
And also me know have a little things see, one little small, but how me go and fix survive now in the farm. Me cut a little plant garwood, me sell it.
Boom.
Alright, me buy me little nicks, me say alright, this will keep me fit today and fit tomorrow. And that's how me keep moving and pushing on my farm to build this strength.
And every time around there get money around they come. Hold this cap.
That's how me I build this strength.
People.
Little more,
See
it will be greater.
See, no man.
Yeah.
The woman we're chosen will come, you know. She a put on him frock right now and packing suitcase and say, no, this is my man.
Sure.
I'm going to Montego Bay. Randy, open up the door. This is my man. Back up, Randy. Back up. The woman where I come for, you know, Captain, she said, back up, Randy, back up.
Sure.
And she just sit down with her frock up. Captain, come look upon me. You don't want it. Captain said, but ma'am, I don't know you. No, this me I save for you. You can't just work in at the farm alone.
Sure.
You have to come work. I preach today. I joke. Captain, there is a, me go at 90, there's a woman out there. That's why I'm doing this film. You know, every time you talk and she see you and she say, you know, say, a long time, Randy tell me, let me just buy the plane ticket here. What me I go lose? Look on the man and me going to the man and sit down there with a frack and a long tail in England, sit down there full in a coal, and man have plant up things and when you get hold with a bone, who wanna go rub on the down with castor oil, who are gonna take care on the back. Eh? Sometimes I tell them say Jesus can't hug on you know, and man it take to put hands around you know. Stop it. God never make Uno and Jesus alone. What man there? Sometimes they left for you out, you know, Captain.
Sometimes we lonely but what we do.
We have to remind them say God make man for who know. If you have the phone, make the call. I look like I saw the pastor. If me was a pastor, you amount of money would I make there. Me say, if you have the phone, make the call. Eh? No, for real though.
What me do now, you see the fire now, me take it, keep it in mosquito then. Yeah. Yeah man, that's where you go.
No man, there's a woman out there. Because man like you know feel lonely. Man like me you know which is a rebel. And then come around me them say Randy you're too terrible.
Really no matter me, you know, because right now we can't get to do my thing uncomfortable. You understand? So,
Pat, pick up yourself. I have this little name Pat, you know. When you meet her, you are gonna love him.
sure.
But I'm not for your woman.
Sure, right.
Me just assure you him. Me say when you meet, I may have another one with my friend named Shaza. When you meet that one there too, you are gonna love him. But I'm not for your woman.
Sure. Why, mate?
Then me have another one me call Comfort. When you meet that one there, you are gonna double love him. But I'm not for your woman.
Sure.
Then me have another one named Violetta. Me go bring him come meet you. When you meet that one there, I'm not for your woman,
Man.
but you gonna love him.
Sir.
But me have another one.
I just love man.
No man, me go. Any one of them you like, you can't say Randy. Other one them you like, you know.
Sure.
No, hey, whoa.
That's a spirit gold, bro.
No man. When you see the woman them I go bring to you, you go say, whoa, Randy, where you find them one here? Remember say Pat used to raise 400 goat, you know. And that one day,
That's
it's
good business.
400 goat that the woman they used to raise, you know.
Good business. People like them, they man for their own.
And Shaza used to,
Can't make life.
Shaza, the one that you go love, the one that grew up with his grandmother, you know every bush.
Man.
Every bush she know. And them the kind of woman them I love, you know.
Then let me assure
Me
you,
can't love the one them when know for heal himself.
Let me assure you, them the kind of woman, they are good people to deal with.
Yeah.
You understand?
Look on the fire man, me like how you do it. So when you put the thing over it,
Yeah, they spread the smoke all over.
I love it.
So this is what me have to take care of now. Start putting one suck and to make them start come up meantime. So this is what me do now. Me not do no cleaning up. Don't do no cleaning up over there. So me just clean up fresh and plant. When we clean up and plant now, we can take time clean up the rest. You understand? Because over there so them plant already and they come, so them okay. Now plant now forget the young one coming now from the fresh. When the plant and they come up, me in the hole now I clean out what to clean out.
How old is again? 65?
No, me not get 68, man.
You not get 68?
No, man. I'm 59, man.
Oh, me have one at 57, man. That one there you have bubble up.
Look at that yet, man. Look at that yet.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Look here, sir. The smoke in the tree.
Yeah, so you just spread all around by how the wind go around. And then you run away the mosquito and then you come near for them spread all the smoke.
Them not come near at all. Them put a radius around it.
Yeah, them spread all the smoke so then keep away. So you see say me alone fence the whole thing and do that. Because me no want the cow them nut all in here. So when me go put in, the cow cannot, me no want no cow face it no tall. Because the kind of crop when we go and put in is cane and certain things where you can make some good money. Because I used to make money out of cane. And all of a sudden you just gone right down and through the cow them. But now me fence up here so go and put it back.
Well, I get more fence for you.
Yeah,
I have a guy in a Mandeville. I have a guy in a Mandeville where I gonna need the cane. I have the guy. You run out of wire?
Yeah, I can't run out. But me alright, you know, Steve.
No, you're not alright, man. Let me make a phone call.
Me not too, me want fence up properly. But me just do it for right now. You know?
No say nothing.
Yeah.
Turn off the camera. To them I go. A bongo.
Just do it for right now.
Bongo and jungle. I go make a call.
When you done with gas around there, you come back and see it, man. You say no, gas stay so.
And they're going to put in some funds in it. We make a little seal. Boom! Camera, stop recording. Camera, shut off.
Sure. Move up. But then they soon gone, you know. As soon as the sun come over, then gone.
Bushman life
Me
no.
dey near me want smoke there.
Bushman life no easy, you know.
Want piece of wood.
You know, sure light in one pan.
No man, want piece of wood. Catch it put in one pot there.
How would I dig for that post there?
Nah man, I planting now put in there, man.
Planting?
Yeah man, I plant meantime me a weed and they do me thing.
Okay.
Plant one, drop one, something meantime me a go.
Wow. It look nice, man.
Put one plant. I planting now. I pear planting me I put in a can and here.
Okay. I like how the fire burn underneath the
Alright. So, you know the funny, me now go hold on with me hand. Is it true? You know the funny? Me now go hold on me couldn't bite me hand. Alright, this is what I got on. Alright. Make that catch now, me can carry it out there so. You see, so I clean the place, me plant one little something meantime, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You say your garden, you know, me not hear you.
No, man, me find a breadfruit.
What?
Me over there teach the people them. A video. No, man, me just love the nature. Me just sit down around and look on it. Yeah, I mean, brother, let me tell you something, man. I must say people abroad, man, at this they want, you know. You know much man citizen I say, Chacha Randy, eh? But
One piece of this catch, we can get the smoke off it. You understand?
mm,
Yeah. When you light, get the smoke from it. Yeah, man, that's what me there and relax. You see what me there now? Alright, you know, so me go on my yard, these are different vibes me feel.
mhm.
Yes, because you have some little music about a place where them a play. I don't want to hear them the music. They cannot teach nothing and good at pure
Oh,
badness.
so I pay nice, you here.
Not really the nice. The type of music what them a play.
Okay.
Me no want to hear.
So that's why you love to come at the
I
farm.
pay about woman and gun business and that. And them the type of music them a play. Me no want to hear them listen. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So there are different vibes.
You know, sometimes I would,
Certain music no fi play, brother. Certain music fi bad. Because I teach you them fi do badness.
Yeah. I forget.
Nah, learn you them nothing that's it.
Yeah, I do. I forget you're a big speaker.
Brother, them the music they no fi play.
But you hear me I say,
If me I am policeman and me hear them the music, then me lock up them rotted.
we get you a speaker.
You understand?
And then
Them
now,
the music they no fi play.
when them a play for the music, you turn on for you.
They teach you them bodies. Nothing that's good they teach you them.
But you need a drum for play upon them, man. You know you are the music maker, I don't understand. God put you on earth to make music and you make man a music you out.
Drum, you know say drum is a talking though.
Yes.
Yes, and drum is a heartbeat. One of people don't know that. When you beat a drum, boom is like a your heartbeat, boom. So it's like a symbol. No people don't know that. So drum is a symbol.
Yeah.
Yeah. Drum is a symbol to mankind. I know people don't know that.
Me tell them, say if them did have more drum in Jamaica, the people won't kill so much people. Wow.
You know, like hear certain music, so sometimes you keep away from certain things.
Wow.
And me play music, you know, anytime me play music, everybody have to ask me get them type of music. Yeah, because me music I will deal and teach. You understand? Me don't play fool music.
Captain, let me ask you, if you never have water and you had to cook with this, could you?
Cook with this?
If you had to, if there's no water around and you had to cook with it?
It can.
It can.
Because once the water boiling, all germs gone, so it can be cooked.
Okay.
But what me da do now, me da boil the water, put it down, make it clear crystal and then use that part and left the jugs at the bottom.
Okay.
If me was have to use it.
Okay, so
Boil it, put it into a big jug, make it keep.
make it distill.
Yes. And use it. But it can.
Wow. Wow, sir. Look for you to know. You're dangerous now, rotted. You that, brother, you're dangerous. Me say you're me see it, you know, look here. Is a, is that, is a big piece of, it's a big piece of land, you know.
Oh man, if you have the land, you can deal with it, you know, brother.
You're dangerous, brother.
Oh, you said me not, I'm not to do and nowhere to go. You couldn't believe say me do it.
See the people.
I just use me time on it.
This is a message to all the man them where up in that age. Yeah man. Wow. Land, Jamaica. Yes sir? Jamaica, eh? Wow. Wow. It sounds nice. Look how it's nice, man. The life, the liberty. Eh? I'm up here, you know, people. And then I said, boy, we now go up here. Too much scammers. See the scammer tree them there? This is Mobile. And this is where we stay. Every night and day. See it there? Wow. On the plant, pure life, you know. Pure life. You say a pure life. Hmm? Wow, in Jamaica. That's why the people wow. And if you plant your thing, you know, you better fence it. You have to do about it. People will take your things, man. But I tell you, anyone who can get government for going to land at the bush, go take it and go farm. Stay away from people. The best thing at the bush. We talk later. Yeah, well, I get some mango in the place. How do you hunt mangoes? Let's see how we do it. Well, you see the stem? Kinda hard, freshly dropped. Yeah, kinda hard. Boy, if me never come today, I remember the storm are coming. The storm are coming, so basically we can't make the thing them waste, you know. Cause now I have to go put some in the neighbor fridge. Remember say my mango them on my tree down, you know. So since me there for 1 month, a pure mango me I eat me 2 mango, 3 mango a day. And my belly gone. Me no use fridge or stove much no more. Pure fruits me eat since me come back. So this is what Jamaica good life look like, yeah? So me say yes. Yeah. So wow, what if me never come? Something said to me no, Randy. The storm will come. Yeah, what you go do? So now I can freeze some of this. And I'm a neighbor fridge car, guess what? I turn off the fridge, man. Me no use fridge no more. But if me need to freeze some of this, we can freeze them. Why we not use fridge no more? Because I changed my lifestyle. Cleanse up myself. Nothing cold, nothing frozen. Go to market often. And color low, and sometimes I have to go radical. You know what I mean? So this is Jamaica good life. I just saw it go. It's a blessing for living on Mobile so near to the city. And God's so good to it. It change our balance down here so nice. See it there? No. And every mango up on the ground. See? What means that God intend you to pick up after the ground, not to plow. So me tell you say, when I must pick off of the tree, pull out of the ground, but don't dig. The D thing them dead. You dig something and then you have to go cook it. Remember, say me pick up them here, you know. I pick these from the ground. I pick up these. And see it there? That is how God intend we to do. So when we plant a lot of trees, everything was season and curry. Cornwall, Middlesex and what? Sorry. And even the mango them green we can cook them with. Even callaloo and curry. Whoa, that don't make no sense. Later. Whoa, mango tree. Give thanks. Me see something at the tree too. Eh? See? Planting trees, people. Nice tree, you know. So you remember some nice mango up there. But me just give thanks for this. With the Almighty. See it there? See it, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. See it there? See it there? See it there? Don't need for wash. I just feel like going. You have to know for the bushman. It's a life in Jamaica right now. Breadfruit season now come. Mango season soon done. I will check the girl with name June Plum. Buy some mackerel and cook some run down. If me have a stick, I take it to the coconut tree. Now wait a couple more months for the kneesberry. What's the Cornwall, Middlesex and what? Sorry. No, sir. But this a man to come here. You know, sir. You know where wicked people live when you go out and farm. Then on a mango. Then on a tree. Then on a fruit. So you know wicked people. But me we turn you so all day, you know. Wanna not pee. Man, I granny. Wanna not be copy. Alright, see it there? We just wipe it on the pans. Get rid of the hands. Eat two nice mango. You know, Mobile. Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man. So we live in Jamaica. Yeah? You know we don't want that. If me dead tomorrow, me live to rot it. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. 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 Breadfruit. Get a breadfruit today. Mm-hmm. And what I get a banana. Um, sweet man, I tell you. Sweet, sweet life. If you know watch the video for the done, any minute, miny more. Catch a mango. Who next? What your name? You next? You next? Who next? Huh? Who next? Who next? Eh? This is Jamaica good life. It's not a cub life. Save you, hot feet. Big up on yourself. That's why you say, Jamaica is about networking. Yeah. You must meet people. So, mm, mm, eh, mm, 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 yeah, mm, eh, eh, mm. Devastation. Mm. Mango madness. Mm, 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 mm. Mosquito, watch yourself. Mm. Remember when you used to give hog mango? Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Coffee nice on it. Mm. 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 No sir. Mm. 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 No sir. Who next?
So we take the time I do my thing.
You have to take your time.
Alright, me okay up at some green gauge mango tree and now.
Green gauge?
Mm-hmm.
Which one? A different one? No, the one where you picked for me last time.
Green gauge man, I know green gauge. Green skin mango.
The same one you did pick for me at the shack. Different place?
A different place. I'll go up there now.
Seem the people. In.
Yeah, in the bush.
If you give a little man a machete, it will do dangerous. Watch, you left the stick there, so.
If you're not stick. Yeah, man, remember start them here. Watch the pine, watch the pine, watch the pine.
Watch the pine then, people, watch the pine.
Watch the pine them. Don't step on them. We soon get them clean out.
Fine suckers.
Watch them okra because I don't have no plant. That's somebody me get one plant from.
Wow.
Them, me plant them in here so I want to catch a breed of them.
Enough things, man. If you don't know what you do.
I tell you something, anybody can walk in the farm.
Okay.
All about.
Mm-hmm.
But me not clean them out yet, to me have other things I deal with.
Okay.
Yeah. When me done do what I do now, me go to and coffee clean out it easy.
Mm-hmm.
But you prepare it harder. To weed out and clean up is very easy, but to prepare the land after do what I do, me do the hardest part first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get some mango.
Mango they all about. Yeah. Get one bag and get some of them. I love the green grape, they them sweet, you know, man.
Yeah?
So I notice when you walk in the mosquito, they follow you more on the fire.
When you walk.
Just steady them at pull. Alright, now they go to the green gate here now. The green grade them is mango like this.
Mm-hmm.
Mango like this.
Okay.
Go up at the tree now.
Before we are going
So
to...
if some catch plant them now, the pepper plant them. In the rain now, me transplant them so they can't die.
When it's raining.
When it's raining. That's why I love when the rain falls to do my thing. I don't do go nowhere else when rain falls. Man just do my thing.
Whoa, 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 boy. Yes, 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 yes.
When you have time for my farm and time for the sea, they split the difference. Alright, me get my bag now.
So,
Get my bag to get some mango.
so your dinner now. Boy, I can't believe it.
Boy, you got something. You got
What
something,
that?
you know. It is banana.
Wait,
ripe
no, man, you
banana,
have to give me a piece of... No, sir.
ripe banana and planting, but this fry from yesterday.
It no matter. Me see it.
Fry
Jaja.
from banana.
People.
Ripe
Fritters.
banana and planting mixed together
Fritters.
with baking powder.
Fritters.
Actually, me and dirty, me can't touch it.
Jaja. Look here, sir. Jaja, I'm going to break off the piece and I'm going to eat. Hold it good. Alright, people,
man.
see it there.
I just see farm this come from.
Mmm.
You understand? And I from yesterday.
A great sugar type.
No? Blend it.
You blend it with water
Yes, blend it with a little water.
and then you fry it.
Mix it with the flour.
Flour.
Yes, and you put baking powder inside of it. And you put little seasoning, little all-purpose seasoning.
So, okay. Right there. Spongy man. Captain. You
That me carry for me lunch. You see me I go and me have off me lunch.
yeah, Captain, you're big pan campus man. Yeah, it's look there. You look like you can't make your tire too. Nice.
Man,
People. You know, so you can put in a big food restaurant called it Captain Jack. Jaja.
oh, me can be good enough. Me can do all type of
You
things.
see, if you put some saltfish in this, Lord God.
Nobody talk about that.
Nobody
Or
say.
little salt mackerel.
And if you put scallion on top, Lord
Don't
God.
talk about that, man.
No,
No, don't talk about that.
Nobody pushes so far. Then Captain,
So I just a rough thing that.
grate up banana, plant and flour, baking soda, bit of salt, or purple season.
Yes.
Put some saltfish in there,
Yo.
scallion.
You don't want nothing more.
Lord God.
You eat two of that, I just want to
And that name the Captain Jack.
So,
Can sell it a road. We get two Captain Jack.
you think it is?
You know, some man, we're gonna make the. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna put it on shelf, man.
No, sir.
I'm gonna rent out a bakery and make some and then.
Hey, me can't cook with it, no, man. I think me easy to see that, man.
Captain, one day I come over the yard, man. I gotta just show up. What you say? Plantain, a green plantain or ripe?
Ripe banana, but me mix it with half a ripe plantain. Ripe banana and plantain mixed together.
Ripe banana with half a green.
You have to use half, you can't use whole. Ripe, two of them ripe. Ripe banana and ripe plantain.
Okay.
Blend it together.
Jaja, how much of them you did make?
About, I think 4 of them, I eat 2 for me dinner last night. When me did a couple of lemonade and 2 mango.
What may I tell you, yeah, these people. Captain Jack, a 6-star restaurant that. Boy, the thing named Captain Jack. Give me 2 Captain Jack.
Man,
When you go to the store and say, give me saltfish Captain Jack.
sure.
Red herring Captain Jack. Me say when you done make money. You know, say if you make it and put it in a one little bag and bring it to the to Mobile and label it. You see when the people them name it, man.
No, listen me.
All them a pop off your WhatsApp, you know. Captain Jack.
No, if me have a business place, we very dangerous because you don't know me. Can't do a lot of things. We can bake good, you know, toast anything, pudding anything, cake anything. We can do good baking. I'm not joking, seriously.
Woman
My
seem there.
grandmother, the whole family we can bake. My grandmother bake wedding cake, sent all over the country, foreign everywhere. My grandmother. So me was the man who rubbed the sugar when time no blender. We have to use spoon and rub out the sugar.
Jaja.
So me know the thing.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, man, we know the thing. And then down with the cake, now you have the icing where you put over the cake.
Yeah. I have to go into the baking, man. So bake it or fry it?
Fry.
What kind of oil you use?
Using natural cooking oil.
Okay. Okay, a real bushman food, you know. You use exactly what you get out of the bush. So I'm going to take a ripe banana with me, man. I'm going to make a Captain Jack. You know what I'm going to put in a cornmeal, I'm going to put with it. A little bit of flour, some cornmeal too.
You can put much cornmeal, light little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now you cornmeal, but you cannot use enough. Just a light little bit. The cornmeal now will make it too hard.
Mm-hmm. Real bush life, people. On a stush life. On a ganja, when I say on a kush life. A real bush life with Captain Jack.
Oh. I know people love bush, you know. You know what I'm used to do hotel work.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people have to carry and go bush. They have to use the boat and carry and go bush.
Yeah.
They enjoy the bush life. They love it more than the out life.
Yeah.
Yes. Because we carry a doctor man to bush and he say man that are the greatest vocation he ever get in his whole life and that him love. He carry a man in the bush but I never know him was doctor. Because me drive a tourist boat, I used to carry tourists go see, go do snorkeling. And there's a channel go up into one place, go right up, where you can go right up with the boat. And me go right up with the boat and take him off the boat and we in the bush and enjoy himself and thing and show him what is what. You said the best vacation he ever go on, and it was a doctor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And he enjoy it.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Enough people you see come in Jamaica, then like go to the bush, not into the store and all those things.
Yeah.
They want to enjoy the bush life. Long go through the far door and the reach step.
Okay. Well, I'm going to get a piece of food to the people.
These are me planted.
Are you planting?
These three are me planted.
Wow.
The fence line here, so far the fences. And the fence line is. This is I did have a large place.
Yeah.
All these places now, them say they're going to use it, so get notice for the top here, so me control the bottom.
That's it.
All these coconut tree, me plant it.
Mm-mm.
So over here, so now it's not me, pick up somebody. See? Over here, so now it's different somebody, it's my neighbor.
Got
He
it.
also get notice. So we're gonna get some mango now over there.
Oh, yeah, go over film place.
Over there, we're gonna get some mango.
Neighbor no mind.
Oh man, him get notice, him leave complete.
Him left already.
Yeah, yeah.
All coconut tree left.
Yeah, all these are in plant, all these.
So anytime you want, you can come pick coconut.
Oh, I'm not really picky because me have, so me don't trouble one thing than me have.
Oh, sour stuff.
Yeah.
So him not come back for the sour stuff.
When him ready, he come look and pick him things.
Oh, pick him things then.
No, sure thing come in here still, but maybe.
Yeah, don't touch some man things. If you see mango upon the ground, that's different.
Different, yes.
You
And
see?
you know it got go to waste.
Yeah, but you go pick man things.
No, not me that.
No.
Not me that, bro. Alright, see? Look.
Oh Lord.
Look.
Oh jeez.
All these are go to waste.
Oh jeez.
See all these, brother? Go to waste.
Oh no.
See what me I show you?
Oh no. Oh
In the
no.
market, I buy it for $400 a dozen. In the market. The other day, I seaside I want some mango for eat. And I buy a dozen number mango. $400. And look.
Oh
We have
no.
it here wasting.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Look at that. Oh no.
See what I'm showing you?
Mm-mm.
$400 a dozen. And I have it wasting. We have it a waste.
Oh no. What a thing, sir. Look here. No, sir. Captain Jack said, Randy, now me go and take you to the car. I wouldn't want to walk on people land. You see me? Oh no. I like when we used to grow up and find the eggs them from the chicken. All 18 in one spot, you know? Oh no.
Now you can't refuse. You don't have to look on the tree.
Mm-mm.
You don't have to look on the tree.
Wow. Look at us, people. Look at Jamaica. Oh no, and then the storm will come and everything will blow off. Oh no, look at that. This is Jamaica, people. Oh no, oh no, look at that. Up here, mango.
You don't know.
Let's see the people. This is kind of rich. We not even know what to do. Eh?
Which one to pick up?
Food they are growing, you not even know what to
I
do.
wish I know people in them life say them are hungry. People say them are hungry. I look in a bush.
But them never did plant.
Look in a bush.
They didn't plant no trees. A man would have never come here and take 2 mango trees and go water it and plant it.
Look in a bush.
Cause them not think long term.
Alright.
Them here people are short term people, you know, brother.
Man, them alright.
Short term. You know, sister, me have a mango tree that I catch
Alright.
at the yard.
Pick up the fresh one, them one. You can know the fresh one.
Me look on the stem. Georgia City. Then if me go market now, you know, I might just go market. Mango, $100 a dozen.
Yeah, you buy a 20 gun.
Hmm?
And they must sell it for much money a dozen.
Then I'll have to do and plant a mango walk. That is why I know.
You will see me when I look at the plant out there or something that you know have one thing, you have all kind of things. When it's not one, it's mostly the other.
Georgia. I'm Captain Sarandi. Now I'm going to bring you to the green beard.
Pick up me, man.
Look here, sir. So me must go now. Go in the bush, go pick up mango, go run, go road. Only the old people them me give. Me not get no young people, no big man. No get nothing from me. Cause them, you know, people there son and them can't, they not go look, you know. They not go look at themselves. And the thing about these mango, they're like a blessing, cause they just drop on just easy, so.
Them speaking around
No. No, sir. This is Jamaica good life, you know, normal. Cornwall, Middlesex and Surrey.
You see when they must
Me don't know why them a left Jamaica in a hurry.
you see them, you know, that seaside, they would have wonder what, but they don't understand what we are doing and what we are going to do. They don't know the joy what we are doing.
Yeah, man. Them mango are my dream. And them mango I used to dream about. And careful. I'll take some of them tree, man. Fertilize them. Mm. Oh man, God good. See that? Now, if me never know the people them for the land and me there, I pick up them mango. Boy, we don't know what to do. Where y'all a find mango over there, Sato? Yes, sir. But what you think? What you think I do? You drop off a tree right now, eh? How where they wrecking ping pong? What that?
Look up here.
Captain?
On the tree of them stay. You're not even have to look up. Come on.
Remember when it's two?
Let's go 2 years. Yeah, but what bag you carry?
I think I bring my.
You got a bag?
Did I bring my bag? You know, sir. I said to myself, I have my hat. I have my crooked. But you know, another day. Tomorrow me bring, but me I go bring the bag wire. Set my soul on fire.
I put them in this, so you go down and take them out there.
Alright.
So just drop everything. Put everything in this. Oh.
I want
Stop bite, man. Mosquito, they bite. Yeah, just throw them out. You can't throw them out. Because me not eat so much mango in the bag.
No, it's alright.
Nah, it's much mango in the bag, man. Just
Tomorrow me just sit it to right it.
So you just waste it?
No, sir.
See what I got?
No, sir.
I look up on the tree loaded.
Oh, Lord.
Look out there. The whole
No,
tree
sir.
loaded. And everything just go to waste. Then just drop spoil and...
My friend have kids, you know.
Then just drop and spoil.
My friend have kids.
You understand?
I'm going to put them in the fridge.
You get me?
Because a mango a day me eat, you know.
Alright.
So now, if you say them are going to spoil, yeah, so.
Then
I'm going to just
nobody now pick them up. Then go stay this spoil.
freeze them.
What you expect? No, you can make mango juice and freeze it.
Mm-hmm.
You make mango juice, bottle, freeze it when you want it to get. And you go and make some now just have. Make some juice.
I'm just freezing.
Yes, just
I go get some,
vanilla lasco.
vanilla lasco.
Vanilla lasco means
Why vanilla lasco?
because, you don't know, me just love
No, but let me tell you, think that will kill you. No, sir.
Why the best?
You just blended mango juice and freeze it, that's it.
Not chance.
No, you're mad.
Put nothing.
No, sir. You can put some ginger in it or some lime.
Alright, good. I'm have ginger.
See that? Lime and ginger with mango juice?
Don't say a word.
Okay, me not say nothing else.
Don't say a word.
People, Jamaica, me say the best.
Rest it, you know.
I could do this, because I have to come back tomorrow to make sure that I stock up on my mango. I turn on back the fridge to freeze the mango so I can make my juice.
You go up. As me go up this evening, me blend in a
sea mass, you know.
Blend it,
You can't put a sea mass in it.
I want to forget, but I have to go dive it because the mass is too dear. And me can go look it myself. I think about 5 or 6 to 8 bills a pound of myself. And me can just go look it myself, send them myself. You can go dive it myself.
No, sir.
Blend some of them as you talk.
Yeah, blend it and freeze it in the freezer.
Yeah? Oh man, you can't bother with them.
Cause even want, you know, so they sell like a plastic bag of them, right? How? I'm go buy some of the plastic bag of them. Come back tomorrow with a crocus bag.
And just pick.
blend them, pour them in the plastic bottle, freeze them, and every day take out one.
You don't want nothing more. You know, you give me an idea. Myself, you give me an idea.
Because since I've been here, you know what I've been doing? I eat 2 mango every day. So now, I said to myself, the mango done, where you go do? Come down the tree.
Sure.
Over here.
You store it.
Well, it's time for go back Captain Jack and have mango. Because since I've been here, well, what's I'm gonna make? The Randy candy mango juice. I'm selling it road.
You see how all life stay, brother? That's nice way, man. All life stay.
This is Jamaica good life, people. You must give thanks to Jamaica. Well, you know, Captain, I might have to go get married, you know. Find me a young girl, get married and get some more kids. You see? You know? And then
and you see my problem now. You see how what I'm doing now. I have no one listen to help enjoy some of these things.
no, the woman.
What the waste and thing. And
The woman will
help
come
enjoy.
after they see the video. They got them.
Nobody should help enjoy.
No. The woman will come. Cause me no think to them that them can't have a vision. Let me help you with the bag. Let me help you. You sure? Let me help you. Yeah, man. Your spine shrink down, you know. I know, like say I get young.
Take care of yourself, you know, brother.
Yeah. Woman, you have watched the video and you know do nothing. Me say who know punko. See the man there? Eh? Every time I talk about man bad at Jamaica, man this and man that. See the man there? Eh? See him there? Look like deer in a headlight to Ricky ping pong. Eh? You don't want to live no good life. Put on the tights and go a bush with Captain Jack. You don't call me and say Randy mysterious now. I didn't see the light before. Eh? Oh no, walk place like pinky pong. See the man there? Everything, look there. Real life in a Jamaica can heal them up. No, sir. Alright, coconut. You know, say, Captain. You know, say you can blend the mango with coconut juice. Actually, you not pay attention.
Coconut juice.
Nutmeg.
At the time, not the time.
So, here what?
The time.
Coconut juice with mango, coconut milk with mango, nutmeg, and little cinnamon and ginger. Put a little spirulina in it and sea moss. Lord of mercy.
Sure.
And then now put some 2 tablespoons of cold pressed coconut oil.
What are you going to do?
Hey, the woman them said they want it, them have to come take it. When you have a woman at the yard, you have to say, give me the cold pressed coconut oil with the coconut milk and the mango and the sea moss and the spirulina and the ashwagandha and put some stinking tonight. Bing! Now I'm going to sleep tonight.
Right. One jelly now feed me lunch, you know.
This is farming life with Captain Jack and he's looking for a wife.
You see,
And don't be no
what really happened now?
back up on shelf.
My drinks now is a jelly. Me use my drinks. Me eat me
Oh,
lunch.
so-
Just cut a jelly now and that is my drinks.
Wow.
That's the way me do my thing. Me
Wow.
don't buy drinks mostly. Use
Okay.
me jelly coconut for drinks.
Okay, all right. Let's see how it's done.
You get it.
I get the Swiffer. I get it now.
Yeah.
I overstanding.
Yeah, man.
We see how you live. You live naturally.
Yeah, because use me jelly coconut for drinks.
While we're not foreign, A butter and bruise. You don't have to make news.
Right, stick to this stick.
Mm-hmm.
So I jelly tree now, so we get a gel.
Mm. So we are see how the man live. This is the life of a Jamaican.
Behind you.
Mm-hmm. So this is the life of a real farmer. A real man. So we live in Jamaica. Living a good life. Captain Jack still waiting for a good wife. Hoi, Pat, Shaza. When comfort come, hopefully we can bring her come show you the farm. I don't know if she go come to the farm. I don't know if Mango go there, maybe Pierre go there. Now some friends coming down. Run to the green one, them up, sir. So you eat a jelly for you with your...
No, the water me use for food and everything. All of those sensation mixed together, the food jar, the scent, everything. That no good for your head, brother.
Mm-hmm.
You get the drift?
Get the drift. Drifting to high heights.
Remember, flour and all those things. Sometimes you buy it from the supermarket and you cook it and eat it. Don't it have a funny taste sometimes?
Yes, I.
Because it's soft, the substance from the chemical kind of have no air to breathe out that evaporation.
Mm-hmm.
So the food dry and all goes inside.
Mm-hmm.
You will cook it now and eat it. What do you think?
Okay.
It's like something.
You know, say the warm water not too. Me love the warm water, you know.
Yeah.
You see, when it hot in the sun, people say they want cold. Me don't want nothing cold.
I love the cold.
It a go shake up.
I love the coldness, I don't know why.
Cause you know what? The coldness are gonna make your liver hard up on your kidney. Cause remember, say in Africa there is no cold. So in Africa, if you want to keep her young and don't get old, drink. You see, when you put the water in the sun, Lord God, the body love it.
Yeah.
It love it, you know. But you see, when it cold and the body hot, the body say, what that? Yeah, man, the warm water is nice.
Alright, me show you my thing, how me do my thing at daytime now. Like,
Alright, lunchtime. See how I'm do it.
Like, this is my cup now. What me do now? We get this clean. And then we cut this. Throw it out in like maybe 1 or 2.
Okay.
And then when we finish eat, we just drink the natural coconut water. It'll be good. It's just what you can do for them. When you cannot do, them is not there.
Not all of them, but most of them.
You understand? That is the problem. Only when you can do them with you.
Okay.
No, sir. Which all the while now, man.
Well, me I tell you, you know, you see when money run out for them, that is why, like, me agree with you, because even right now,
That's the thing I said. So me see
even
they go.
right now,
So me see they go.
right now, let me see. Because me turn more into a bushman, not a stushman. Me no plant weed, sell weed, not a cushman.
You know, so me could have do that, but me not really like the
No,
idea. No.
So,
me do that,
me's
but
a
no.
simple man now in a life. It's hard to find a wife.
You understand?
And when them have the money, them a look for disrespect you too.
Yes.
And we know in that, you know. One of them hang up phone for me. Whoa, lightning and thunder in the city.
Yeah.
People seem like this is a real. See this how this man eat him lunch. Boom. See there? Quick and fast. Welcome to class. This is when I said don't introduce flight to hostile. Alright.
No, this is my drink.
This is his drinks. This is his lunch.
Understand?
No fruit punch, no sugar, no milk, no supermarket. Fresh and nice from Jamaica Good Life. See that? God is good all the time. Change and balance. Now, if you did have a lime, you must bring lime with you, Abusha.
How can you so I use what I have?
Yes, I.
So when me eat and finish now, that is my drinks. You understand? So this is my cup where I throw it into. And cover it. Yeah. When me ready now, I just have my drinks.
All right.
Yeah, that's the way I'm doing.
Take your time.
Yeah, man.
People don't beg him none of them things. Eat your thing. Don't pay attention to the audience, cause they crave me, you know. Don't and hold the food good, cause we drop out, we drop.
No, no, just for me.
When you eat, Captain, hold your food good, cause enough of them are watch. Enough of them are watch.
Drop,
Cause sometimes hungry dog.
It's the same bush made.
Yeah.
The same bush
That
made.
is a Captain Jack, people.
You understand?
When you can never have it. See it,
so
but
the same planting, ripe banana with liquor flour
yeah.
and baking powder, seasoning.
Everybody want to dress like me, you know, Randy in a shoe. You see how I dress? Some pants, new style. It name staying up. See there? That's over. Excuse me. You saw the shirt, dirty? You see Randy? Alright, see where I know.
But I told you that I was.
You know, see how we think this. We love. Love it, love it, love it, love it. No, because the soy oil, we don't want soy. Everything is soy oil. We like soy oil. With pepper. We lose the cow. Choose the pop shop. Vegetable oil. We're not people want vegetable oil. Be careful. So now, soy oil. All them are going with. I like the one with the smoke.
Sorry. That's okay. Yeah, didn't you?
So see it here, could see in water. I could do the one in the water, yeah. One in the water, cause cut them upon the soy oil. Yeah. Well, we not really. We eat more natural food right now. You see me? We eat more natural things now. Lose the weight. Come from the farm, get some mango. Eat 3 mango a day. You see me? Don't style me, no lady. You see me in my socks. Yeah, let me tell you something about me, you know, people. You see me? Me no. You see what I do in Jamaica? Me no care about what nobody say about me. Me is a brother. Me no, you can't say nothing about me. You know the soap that I used to be with? The soap here. It smell good, you see? We don't buy paper towel, we use banana trash. We don't use lotion, we use castor oil. Get to act together, we use so everything we use what we used to use, you know? More sardine. We turn off the fridge, you know? But now that I have the mango, I have to turn on the fridge and freeze the mango for mango juice. You see? So I'm gonna use the mango juice. One thing, you see me? So the thing set, you know? So now when my life for buy now, when I buy, you see them meat, yeah? You see them things, yeah? We don't deal with them things, yeah, no more. No, sir. But so what we say, we lose the cow and choose the crop. Sure. A vampire, me used to be, the vampire movement, I eat the meat and thing. The change and balance, no. A Jamaica health box. No, our brethren said to me, Randy, you say a Jamaica health box and eat them junk upon camera. Yeah, well, me eat certain things and me flush it out. Me nah stop eat pork once a year. Me nah, when me say my jerk chicken, I want it, me eat it and flush it up my system. Me know woman at 98 and still a box down pork. I mean, it's not a pork man like that. But when me want full jar upon something, I come and lose them. Go New York, eat what I want to eat, come back down, and just, that's it. You see? So this is my life. When I drink much things out I can, go to the farm. We spend my money upon most fish, salt mackerel. You see me? What's the salt mackerel? This is my section. They say, no pigtail. Mom, so the salt mackerel can stay out in the house just like this, right? You know, if you put in a fridge, right? See there? I have this on my thing.
And the pigtail too.
No, me no in there.
In the pig.
No, sir. We leave that.
In the tail or the pig.
Me left that up to you. Once a year, September 25, meet the hog. These are nice like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we're not refrigerate it.
No.
So me turn off the fridge, you know. We turn off the fridge. Which one is the best saltfish then? Which one of them good?
I like this.
You like what I want here?
You don't know this. So say,
The heavy man. Look like a lot of water. They soak it. Come from a different place, like you know.
come from a package back in Jamaica. Really?
So this is the one you buy.
This is the one I like.
Why you like it?
Because when I like your meats in here,
Yeah.
and when when it tastes like saltfish, like when we used to as a child.
Okay, got it. I have enough ackee now, so. Thank you so much. I have the ackee tree.
Where?
Me can't give me a film. Me can't give me address.
Come on, Paris.
Here, St. James.
Okay, right.
I have my ackee tree.
Alright.
Yeah, you know about ackee tree.
Yeah, we're back to when I said I could
All right, when I cook, me can invite you. See the people. All right, now. So what's up? Juice. That's $400, about $3. That not bad. For celebration. Let me see if it contain anything in it. Not too much writing upon it. Anything you see too much writing upon, you know good. No. The coat not remember say my knapsack I have the bicycle, so when I take on the time with me. I'm not really drink nothing cold no more. So me just take one coconut. So this is my style. No saltfish, sardines, me not really. No. Well, buy them things at the market still. We don't really. We don't have to buy them. No, we not. You see lime here, so? No, them things are $900. See the a lime business is not for going on. So in Jamaica, you can't buy them things at the supermarket. But at the lime business, at the good business, lime. The lime business. So what I do? Frozen fish head can make fish head soup. But at the lime business, you know for going on. I tell you. So in Jamaica, you have to know what you do. The black vampire, them are down hard still, you know. You see anybody eat too much pork and kill too much chicken. Them love the blood, you know, they love. That's why, you know. No, $1,400 for chicken, no, sir. Mm-mm. So we're not buying nothing. So So what we do now? Jaja. Oh, camera shut down. Camera stop recording.